Hi everyone, welcome to new session. In the previous session, we saw about the basics of Python, like applications, what are the softwares required. That and all we seen, right? What are the applications, what are the softwares. In this session, we are going to discuss about the something which is related to what is what, like what are the software that we have to run the Python, and what are the new things that we are able to get from the Python command prompt when we download Python 3.9 version. What is the advantages? What is the advantages of Jupyter Notebook? What is the collab? Which software is very most and precise and very much comfort to use? That and all we'll see here itself. Okay, now let's see here. So we will be having the all the things like Python 3.9 latest version if you are Mac user. So download if you want to download this one, because I already have this one, so no need to this one. So after downloading this one, you will be going to get, well, like when you go to command prompt, you will be going to get the interface like this. So on the, you will search for type Python, so you'll be getting like this. So it is in your PC, you have the Python version. So if I want to print something, like if you want to run any command related to Python, so you can command here itself and you can use and enter, you are going to get. But so this is one of the way when you are using per Python 3.9 version with the help of this one. So if you are not subscribed till now our channel, or if you want to get the latest update from all about ECE, please stay tuned with us, and we will be having very so much of fun and entertainment along with the more concepts for you itself. Okay, this is the one of the way. You can select from command prompt, or you can use for Jupyter Notebook, or else you can write in Notepad and save the file, and you can run over there itself by choosing the path of that particular file. Okay, next another thing has we have Anaconda Python. So when you have Anaconda Python, you will be able to get all of these things in the, so many libraries are there in, like in Jupyter Lab, SciPy, Spider, NumPy, TensorFlow, Pandas, Matplotlib, Conda. These are the various libraries in the Python itself. So when you want to download this one, you will be going to get an interface. This one you will be having so many things. So if you want to download this one, so go down here. You are a Mac user, or Windows user, or Linux user. According to that, depending upon your system configuration, you can choose and you can download. After downloading, you can search from here Anaconda Navigator. Then Anaconda Navigator, Anaconda 3. Then you will be going to get an interface like this one. So you will be having so many things command from Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook. I am most preferably using Jupyter Notebook. This is very efficient. I will show. Wait. These are the various ways to run or to command the Python using various libraries. Okay. After that, we will be having another application called Colab by Google. So this is one of the efficient and most of like software. It means you don't need to install anything. This is the best, right? If you want to install, it will consume more data and you need to storage problem, everything is there. But it is like directly from the Google you can take, and you can make a shortcut on PC and use it anywhere, you whatever the things that you want to use. This is the, you can code itself, as well as you can write something notes here itself. The same feature having in the Jupyter Notebook also, but that is very efficient rather than this one. This is also very good, but to know about this one, we will be having so many things, right? So you want to use this one, whether you will be able to grab the data, or you want to store things and you can run, or you can save the things in one of the advantage is this also. You can notebook, you can upload anything, and this can upload in GitHub list, or copy the GitHub, or anything you want to download the things, and you can also download the notebook also from here itself. And another thing is Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is also one of the efficient tool. From this you can change your title, and this is the file. You can new notebook, open copy, or anything. All the things are available. You can get it from everything whatever you want. But one of the thing is, major thing is, I haven't used so many things like it. So when you write something code related to text, you will be in this way, and when from the files you will be able to get in this way. You can get everything on their spot itself. So you will be having so many things from the Colab book and the Jupyter notebook. These are the most efficient softwares till now every expert are using. So this is one of the efficient, right? So if you want to see something, I'll show to you. Okay, let's run this one. From here you can run the code. After that, I'm importing an image. Okay, this is like another software in the computer vision. Okay, this is like computer vision, which is having a so much advantage in the field of image processing. Okay, don't worry, because that doesn't have any image on it. That's why it is giving an error. So you will be able to see one image because some of the image is not responding. Okay, that's fine. Okay, in this way you will be going to get every software according to our usage. So still now we discussed about the softwares, what are the softwares available, and how to use, and what are the various techniques to use all of these things, correct, right? So in upcoming sections we will be going to discuss basics of Python, everything. So stay tuned with us. Thank you for watching.